Welcome back. Once you have additional sources, you can then take those additional sources and add them to your sources inside of your Notebook LM area. We can click on this element and we can add our new sources. We can then choose our sources. You will then see your sources being added here inside of Notebook LM. Now, typically, if you open up your notebook guide will not reflect the new sources. What you can now do is you can refresh your page or your notebook. You will then see a new summary. Now, in order to produce the new parts of your information, you can then begin to interact with all of your information. You can ask your question, and you can base that question on all of the data that you have inside of this area. What you will see is you'll have a fuller set of information because of your sources than simply generating the information from an AI or a chatbot. You'll also see specific sources being cited here in this area. And so what you'll basically be doing, you will then be filling in your outline using specific questions of the information that you have inside of Notebook LM. And the information is still being generated, and what you'll be producing does not mean that you'll be able to take this information as is. However, what you will see is that the information that you'll be putting together will give your customer a better experience. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.